Look at some knives that I'm going to be selling over on 24/7 Gun Show. And next up is, I don't know what to call this. It's definitely a novelty. It's not quite a toy. It's from American Tactical Imports. I first saw these at SHOT Show, I want to say 2008 or something. It was a long time ago. And ATI was there. They had a lot of neat stuff, and they had these plastic knives. So it's an assisted open. It uses this button here to close it. They did have another auto version, I think, as well, but this is the assisted. And it's just a neat little design. I don't know if these were supposed to be prototypes for a new knife design or if they were intentionally going to be plastic for sure. They're a little fragile, so they're not a useful tool. It's not like it's designed to be a letter opener, I don't think. This one has no use at all. It's like new, but it's just so neat to have basically, you know, the 3D version of a real knife that works, but it doesn't weigh anything. It feels like I'm holding a piece of foam or something. So it's a neat little knife. I suspect everything in it except the spring is polymer plastic, and just a neat little thing. Found this at a gun show years ago, and I just figured I'd buy it for add it to the collection. Don't need a collection anymore, so I'm passing it along. If it's something you think is neat, check it out over on 24/7 Gun Show, along with all the other stuff you see here. As always, thanks for watching.